I'm Scott Lynn, founder and CEO of Masterworks. Welcome to our community. We've created a series of how-to videos to help you better understand art as an asset class as well as our platform.
Masterworks' mission is basically to enable a broad range of investors to invest in fine art.
So if you look at art as an asset class, art is one of the oldest asset classes there are. Sotheby's is the oldest company on the New York Stock Exchange and nearly 275 years old. So people have been trading art for centuries. The common denominator with that is that the people that have been buying and selling this art typically have been the ultra wealthy. The opportunity that we see at Masterworks is to take this very large asset class, which is roughly $1.7 trillion, and make it accessible to everyone.
We remove the barriers that people would face if they tried to invest in art on their own. So the first thing is the cost of artwork is obviously very high for your average investor.
We've created a platform that transforms physical art into share-based ownership, both for retail, accredited, and larger institutional investors.
Well, the way it works is we go out, we purchase a painting that we think is an investment grade painting, and then we file that painting with the SEC, very similar to how a company goes public. So as soon as a painting is filed with the SEC, we begin selling shares, and people can own fractional interests in individual paintings.
By turning the artwork into fractional interests and shares, we're going to be able to provide a device where they can get liquidity in the shares where the underlying artwork doesn't necessarily have to be sold.
So if I'm an investor that wants to seek interim liquidity for our shares, through the Masterworks bulletin board, investors could post their shares and seek a buyer for those shares on a direct basis.
For anyone who's already invested in the stock market or real estate, adding an uncorrelated asset class is incredibly interesting, and we're here to provide that.
We use our expertise to select the art and to manage the art. And that's something, again, your average investor lacks that expertise, so we provide it.
So this is the first opportunity for anyone to invest in multi-million-dollar artworks.